Okay, let me show you how we're using AI images to double email sales in campaigns and in flows for our clients. So if you don't know me, I'm Matthias, founder of Email Engineers. Email Engineers is my A team. So we work with a bunch of clients at a time, 5 to 8, super specialized in helping them optimize their email sales. And this is a tactic that we're using now with our clients. And let me show you. So this is what you're seeing right now. This is taken from Klaviyo, and this is an A/B test we did on a campaign. So we sent this to almost 200,000 people, subscribers, and the result was that what we did got, you cannot see this, maybe let me zoom in a little bit, but what we did got almost twice the sales, and this is using AI images. So let me explain this, what you're seeing briefly. So you have variation A, variation B, so the two campaigns, message, photo and no photo, so the name of this test, the subject line and preview of the email, it stayed the same. Successful deliveries, how many emails were sent for each group. Open rates, fairly similar. Click rates, they changed. They are low in my opinion. We could have done a better job at segmentation here, but we wanted to test this to the entire list, so this didn't really matter here. The important thing, and that we got the results, was this. So placed order here, basically this email photo, variation A got 18 sales, variation B got 10 sales. So this is almost twice the sales here. This is for our medium A average order value product, so $150 about. So how did we do this? Let me show you. Now I got these two emails because you need to see the exact email, but rather the tact that we use, the strategy. So let me show you. In the first email to the left is the email A, so with the photo. So this is blurred out, of course. So there's some text, then there's the photo, then there's more text. So this was a text-based email, which we used to do this test. Text-based, so this is mostly text, product image, text, call to action button, and the closing comment. So the emails are the same, except that the winning variation, the one that got almost twice the sales, we included a AI image. And in this one we didn't. This is just text, product image, text, call to action, closing comments. So what only changed was the image. And as you can see, it goes twice the sales. Now, let me show you what we did. So we used something very similar to this image, which you can barely tell it's AI, to be honest. So this is we used Midjourney for this, not DALL-E. So if you're using DALL-E that's what ChatGPT creates for you, they're very fake images. Even though you get them to be as realistic as possible, they're not as realistic as what you can do with Midjourney, which is something like this, which is crazy. So use Midjourney, and we basically, this was a story-based email, text-based, but story-based. So this is a long story where, as you can see, so from the subject line it says how this Californian woman eased her, and it's a story about beating pain, right? And we included an image that the readers can relate to, right? So that's point one, something that the readers can relate to. Point two is that beauty sells. So beauty grabs your attention. Beautiful people, beautiful scenery, beautiful lives, beautiful ambient, everything beautiful grabs attention and sells. And most important, stock images are dead. They were never meant to be relatable in the first place. So they were never, whenever you went to a website and you saw these stock images, they caused distrust. So AI images as long as they're properly made, like this one, are the exact opposite, right? And yes, you can do this. We have also used AI to create POV images, a point of view. So let's say this is a beautiful scenery that we want to create, or this is a story about how this person was, I don't know, in the beach, relaxing, whatever it is, right? Depends on the actual story that you're telling or whatever the email is about. You can include images, but make them almost perfect, like not that perfect, so it's sometimes it's obvious that something is AI. Specifically, again, if you're using DALL-E, don't use that for images. They are too fake, right? But natural looking, but still beautiful, gets attention, get people hooking, get them to also use other senses, right? Not just reading, but imagining. You paint the picture for them, so it's easier. They have to think less. They get more deep into the story, into whatever the email is about. Again, so this is the tactic that we used. We are implementing this in campaigns with our 7, 8, and 9-figure clients to improve their sales in campaigns, also in flows. So you can use text-based emails in flows. They convert incredibly well. So we're doing that, and that's it. Replicate this and implement this, because this is working right now. And not many, I don't know of any other brand that is doing this, to be honest. So do that. Do this also with your designed emails, of course. So not many brands are using text-based emails. Most brands use designed emails, so you can, of course, use something like this in your designed email, and it's going to convert very well. So do that. Now, if you want to get more tips like this, more strategies, join my free newsletter, Email Moneytopia. The link is gonna be in the description of this video, or in the comments, or in both. All right, that's for now.